Hi guys, this is Nikunj again. So I thought it's time I make another video for you. So here it is. We'll talk about the Nifty first. So as we know, we had a top in January of 2020, and then we had that massive COVID fall, which took us down all the way to 7,500 on the Nifty. And then we finally broke out above the January 2020 high here in November 2020. You see this? Here we have taken out this top. So this top being taken out and this major bottom being made, we get a target. If we add this distance, we get a target on Nifty of 17,300. This is one aspect to it. And if we look at the shorter term chart also, if we pull up the 30-minute chart to see what has been happening lately, then we can see there's kind of a triangle formation here with this trending move up. And then since then, we have been taking resistance at this trend line. Can you see this? So this was the recent top at 15,400, and we have taken resistance here. And we have also taken resistance here. Now, tomorrow, if we gap up and sustain above this falling trend line, then this also gives us a target. If we add this distance from here, 13,600 to here, 15,400, that also gives us a target of 17,300, which is coinciding with our long-term target, which we got here when the January 2020 high was taken out. So Nifty looks all set to get to 17,300 eventually. Uh, Whether it does that in uh, quick time or it takes a few months is for all to see, but I think we should get here in this year. This is about the Nifty. Now, if you look at the mid cap index, so the mid cap index also, here was the January top and this was the bottom. So when we broke above this here, we are getting a target of 33K on the mid cap index. We are presently only at 24,200. So there's almost a 35 to 40% upside left on the mid cap index itself. So while broader market outperformance should continue, if we look at this, I think Nifty and large caps will also give a move up. In terms of sectors, the IT index, which I've been bullish on for a very long time, continues to look very good. And we have just had a breakout here. Here you see this falling trend line from January 2021. We've just broken above that on the last trading day. So the IT index should do very well and probably it will outperform all other indexes. I see this going to a range of about 34,000 easily. We are presently at 26,000. Now coming to a few stocks that I like at this time. So Balrampur Chini is a multi-year breakout. If we see, it had made a top around 200 rupees in April 2006. It was 15 years ago. And now it has broken out above that range. So it's a 15-year breakout in Balrampur Chini. And this is giving us a target of 370. Present price is around 220. If we look at Balrampur Chini relative to the Nifty, this is the ratio chart of Balrampur Chini with the Nifty. So here we can see it's about to make a big breakout even on the ratio chart. So the price chart is giving us a big target and the ratio chart is also confirming it. Once this breakout is done, which is almost as good as done, then we have the stock in play for the target mentioned. That is the target of 370 in Balrampur Chini. Another stock that I'm liking is Delta Corp. So here there is also some, I guess there is some IPO coming of some gaming companies, which will also give it a boost probably, because chart setup is very nice. We have this major rounding bottom here. I'll just remove this to make the picture clearer. So again, we have this move up, and then it was taking resistance here. It's broken above this falling trend line, giving a target of 295 in delta. We are presently around 174. This breakout will be done if we go above 180. This 181.5. This high has to be taken out. Then we should buy this stock. That will be the confirmation of the breakout. And again here also, if we look at the relative strength chart, that is the ratio chart, again we are breaking above the falling trend line. This breakout is also on the verge of happening here. So this is another stock we can play for the target mentioned. Then we have Superjit Engineering. This stock has made this big rounding bottom pattern, and it's just broken above a resistance of 300 bucks. This stock I think can do about 600 in the long term, but that will be confirmed once the all-time high of 350 is taken out. But it can be bought now since it has broken above 300, and short-term players can play for this target of 350, 347, 350, and long-term players can play for this eventual target of 600 once it breaks above its all-time high. Another stock I like is Meghmani Organics. This has given a breakout last trading day here. So we have this rising trend line and also kind of a tilted inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. So Meghmani Organics looks good for a target of about 130 to 140 is what I see coming in this stock. The last stock I want to talk about today is Graphite India. So kind of a picture perfect flag breakout pattern here. We have this trending move up. Then it was taking resistance here, and last trading date has just given a breakout above that. So this sets us up for a target of about 850 in Graphite India, presently at around 500 to 510. So these are some of the stocks I like and my view on the index. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Thank you.